All right, so you can just pay attention from the start to finish. So first of all, you might want to the story that you want to write about. First of all, you have to take note of who is this story meant for and what is the brain behind the story. Who are your target audience and what do you want to achieve with the end of the story? Do you want to motivate someone or do you want to make people smile or make people laugh? So you put all those things into consideration because actually going to be a 1 minute clip, not a long clip. So this tool out here is not something that is very popular that everybody knows. So reason because and that's why not everybody knows about it. But yeah, it's something that you can use to generate a full story within the twinkle of an eye. So I'm going to be showing you the tool, and you can use it to create compelling stories that you can post on your social media handles for engagement. So first of all, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a story. Okay, write a story.
Okay.
Write a story about a girl who discovered her hidden writing skills and made her parents proud. Okay, so here is just a simple storyline, right? And then I might want to tailor it to either Nigerian or American family. So you can actually create your own custom character. You can also create your own character using that particular website, or you can use an existing character from the story. So normally, creating a custom character takes time. You can choose to use your face or someone else's face. It takes time and also you need to pay for it. So to avoid that, you just use the free feature and then use the custom character that is already existing there. So I'm going to change the narrative of the story to about an American teenage girl who discovered her hidden writing skills and made her parents proud. So this is something that teenagers could watch or people or little kids who are below the teenage age. So this is something for them, just something to grab their attention. So here, our story is out. I'm just going to copy as always. I'm going to copy. Then the tool I'll be using to create the story is called. I'll just go to it. It's called. You go to star Starlight AI, if I'm correct. Okay, hold on. I think I'm typing the wrong thing. A lot of AI tools. Okay, Magic Light. So the name of the AI model is called Magic Light. Magic Light AI. So this was where I created the story you just watched. So I want to create another one. I'll just quickly go here that says create a video. Here I can create a custom character. That's customized character. I can either choose to use my face and use my face to generate a character that I want to use throughout the video. But if I don't want, I'll just come here, create video. There are a lot of existing characters here. You can also use it to create Bible stories. There are characters who are wearing Bible story costumes and all that. Okay. So here you're going to choose your attention. Do you want it to be landscape or portrait? So depending on the one you want. So I usually choose portrait because it goes smoothly with YouTube shorts, TikTok videos, and Facebook reels and all that. So you choose the video language. Here you select the style. You want it to be a 3D animation, Disney kind of epic, realistic, Ghibli fit story. So depending on the style you want, painting, animals. So that's you're creating animal story. You can use animals. So let me use 3D cartoon. Those you can choose any other model you want, but I choose a 3D cartoon. So I'm going to come here. Okay, copy everything here. Then going to paste my story. Going to paste my story. So if you pay, you'll be able to generate up to 20 to 30 minutes long story or 10 to 20 minutes. So depending. So as a free user, you only generate a video of which duration is just 1 minute. Then when you subscribe for premium, you can create 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. So depending on how you want it. I'm just going to click next. Okay, select duration, click next. So it's analyzing the story. Why it's analyzing so that it can pinpoint the characters in the story and their roles. Okay, so here it's been able to identify Emily, Jake, and then Jake's and Lily's faces. That's people who are mentioned in the story. It has created the scene one, the scenes for the story on its own. This time around, I don't have to use a ChatGPT to start breaking it into scenarios for animation. Because this particular AI tool has already done it for me, created all the scenarios, right? So I'm going just to click next. Then I'll choose a character. Here we have uh, we have five characters in the story. First is Emily, the main character. The second is Jake. The third character is the father, the mother, and then Miss Rivera, right? So I'm going to choose a character for Emily, female. Just click here to edit. I can choose to create. I can choose to create like I told you. I can choose to create or I'll select from here. So here is gender, age. I'm going to select child because I'm talking about a child. So I'll select here different child's image that you can use as already existing in the model. So I'm going to choose this one. I like this one. So I'll confirm it as Emily. I'm going to create Jake. I'll choose young adults. Then I'm going to select. So I'll go with this one and confirm it. And then the father. So that's where senior comes in. So I'm going to choose this one as the father. Okay, I'll confirm. Then the mother, I'm going to create for the mother. Let me go with this. Let me go with this one. Confirm. Then Miss Rivera, young adult. Okay, I'm going to choose this character. Then I'll confirm. Now, my characters are ready. That's the cast. The cast for the story are ready. This is Emily. This is Jake. This is the father of Emily. This is the mother of Emily. And then this is Miss Rivera. Then I'm going to click on next. Then my storyboard is generating. So after this class, I'm going to send you my unique link. So this way you'll be able to have an extra credit when you sign up for on this tool. So that will be a bonus for you for attending tonight's class. So I'm going to share the link with you and in the group chat. If you have any question, you feel free to ask while the story is being generated.
Please, I also drop that app you mentioned earlier. All the app you
Oh,
just help us drop it in the group chat because my attention is actually divided. I told you I have a
uh,
visitor in my house.
okay, okay, all right. I will drop the.
Even this class now, since you're recording it, you could also drop it so I'll go through it again.
Yeah, as I'm recording, so I'm going to, because as I'm recording, it's automatically streaming on my YouTube channel. So after I'm going to, once after it finishes process, I'm going to just share the YouTube link directly.
Okay, okay.
All right, I think our story is done generating. So I can choose to animate or not. So animate also requires you paying money, right? So I'm just going to hit next because I don't want to animate. So my storyline is ready. This is the cover photo. I can select the one I want to use as the cover photo. This is Jake, or I can use the parents, or I could use Emily in class. And the next thing I'll just click on generate. I'll click on generate, then I'll just hit the OK button. And then the next thing, waiting in queue. my story is being generated finally, and I can share on my social media platforms for people to watch, comment, and leave their likes and all that. And nobody will know that I was able to achieve this without stressing myself. So, with this model now, when you upload your own image for the African story and all that, you can also set the setting to African story. If you want, you can create your own characters. You can choose to use your face or another AI generated images face, and you can choose to use any of that. And then this time around, you don't need to start breaking the scenarios bit by bit. This particular tool does that for you. It breaks the scene, highlights the characters for you, and all that. The next thing, you get your video ready within a short minute. Kali P, do you have any question?
No, no, I don't. I don't. I don't have. I don't forget
Okay.
me. I don't have. At least I'm still
Okay.
getting to understand.
Okay. Is that Ada?
Yes, Ada, don't mind me. Please
Oh,
Google this thing.
your Google name is confusing. So that was I was wondering.
No, this is not
Okay.
even my Google.
Okay. 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 It's okay. So you see, the story is ready. Right? Just look at it. Very beautiful. Hmm. You can see that. I know I purposely allowed the audio to be mute so that later you can go and watch it or you create one for yourself. So the next thing I'm just going to click on download. Okay, I'll first of all publish first. So I'm going to publish before downloading. Boom, it is published. I'll just click on download, and boom, I've downloaded my video ready for posting. I can now generate a catchy headline that will get people to watch it and understand what I posted and all that. So that's it for today's class. You've learned how to create short animated stories within a twinkle of an eye. If you have any question, feel free to ask.
Wow, thank you so much. It's very interesting. I'll try and create one and I'll show you. Thank
Okay.
you so much.
All right. So
Thank
that'll
you
be
very
all for
much.
tonight. You're welcome. You're welcome. So that'll be all for tonight. I'll be sharing the link for this AI model in our group. No, I'll be sending it via your DMs for people that attended this class. The rest can go and watch it on YouTube. That will be their punishment.
Wow. Thank you
So
so
the
much.
rest can go and watch it on YouTube. Then send me a message if they are really interested, because I can just one thing about this tool is that it does not have watermark.
Oh, really? That's good.
Yes, it does not have watermark. This one is not the one that you post. You'll be seeing the name of the AI tool you used. That's one
Just like
facility.
in video, we'll be giving, we'll just put the watermark there until you pay
Exactly.
for it.
Exactly. So one amazing thing about this tool, it does not have watermark. You just create it. Nobody will even know the tool you used to create it. So I knew
Oh,
that a
nice
lot of
one.
people. So I know that a lot of people are not going to turn up for this class. So that's why I made it. I made it free. The next time when I be exposing it, every other person is going to pay. So you're lucky for being a partaker of the free class, and I believe that'll be all for tonight. Thank you all for coming, and I hope to see you